The guessing game. Let's talk about one of the sons of Lord Shiva. Can you guess who? Not Muruga, not Ganesha. It is Ayyappan or Shasta. We humans like guessing what others are thinking. How about guessing what a statue is thinking? Here's what two saints did at a guessing game. A Shasta statue holds a finger to its nose, pondering an ancient mystery. King Chinnapavaraya approached saint poets Tatacharya and Appaya Dikshitar with a question. What is Shasta pondering about? If the guess was right, the finger would move and Shasta would revert to his yogic posture. I hope most of you know that Shasta was born out of an unusual union. Shiva, his father, and Vishnu in the form of Mohini, his mother. Tatacharya, a staunch Vaishnavite, says, Shasta is wondering, I am surrounded by devas as I am the son of Lord Vishnu, but I am also surrounded by lowly Ganas because I am also the son of Lord Shiva. The statue stays still. It's Appaya Dikshitar's turn. He humbly says, Shasta is wondering, I can call Gauri my mother because she is Shiva's wife, my father's wife, and all fathers' wives are mothers. But how do I call Lakshmi, who is my mother's wife? Remember, Vishnu is his mother. So he is wondering how to address his mother's wife. The statue moves to the yogic posture, affirming the guess. This story is especially relevant in today's context, where gender fluidity is increasingly recognized.
विष्णुसुतोऽहं विधिनाशमोऽहं धन्यस्ततोऽहं सुरसेवितोऽहं तथापि भूतेश सुतोऽहमेधे तथापि भूतेश सुतोऽहमेधे भूतैर्वतश्चिन्तयति शास्ता अम्बेति गौरी अहमाह्वयामि अम्बेति गौरी अहम् आह्वयामि पद्यपितु मातरयेव सर्वा कथं नु लक्ष्मी कथं नु लक्ष्मी इति चिन्तयन्त शास्त्रमीडे सकलार्थ शासनं विश्वमोहनं हरिदधीश्वरम् आराध्यपादुकं हरिविमर्दनं नित्यनर्तनं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा श्रितजनप्रियं चिन्तितप्रदम् श्रुतिविभूषणं साधुजीवनं श्रुतिमधुरं